Hey, Mike here at the Riverview Turfworks, Fort Smith's local outdoor living landscaping contractor. And we are finishing up the last day here on a sprinkler system installation here in Van Buren. Give you a little peek of what it kind of looks like. So the front yard is 95% done. Pretty much everywhere you see a flag is a sprinkler head. I have real good coverage of the yard here. We have our main water tie-in right here. This also has a master valve, which we install in all of our systems. What that master valve does is it prevents any leaks from occurring while the system is not running, which is always a nice thing to have in the future, because if you have an irrigation system, you're going to have to do repairs and maintenance to it. And that's just one of the things you have to do. Backflow valve here with the drain valve installed next to it. The guys here are finishing up the backyard. Should be out of here today. Couple zones that are left back here, but you get an idea of kind of the install process, what it'll look like. If we can do anything for you, let us know. riverviewturfworks.com 479-235-1390. Let's make you all look good.